What this country needs is a riot of innovation across all kinds of areas and all kinds of fields. And one of the ways we need to have a big innovation just at the front of it is how do we actually solve these challenges? The process of solving these challenges themselves has to go through a lot of innovation. My energy on this thing is put on like, how do we crack a new model for involving many more kinds of people in this process, and how do we crack a new media model, you could call it, that exposes that process to much wider audiences, much larger numbers of people, so that they can then in turn participate in this process. They can actually also find ways so that they can move the ball and make their impact, do their thing for the country, and be involved in this transformation that's frankly going to take all of us at some level to really pull off. And it's not a partisan thing, it's not a party thing, it's actually a thing to do with America itself. Is like, how are we going to figure out these incredibly difficult challenges facing this country and the world? And so I started thinking rigorously about a year ago of how would we start using these tools, new media, and different processes to actually open that whole process up, get a lot more smart people involved in figuring this out, scale it up in ways that with numbers of people that have never been involved in these kind of things, and open it up, showcase it to much wider audiences who've never been able to see these kind of behind closed doors kind of processes that have been the way we've done it in the past in DC and in think tanks and inside the government. So we're doing this from outside the government. We're doing it with a whole different cast of characters who are outside this normal conversation over the years, and we're doing it in a way that's very open and transparent and exposed to all kinds of audiences through the web, and ultimately we're going to do it on TV. So we have one shot to really get at this, and we're going to make sure with Next Gender we pull it off.